Now we'll be doing a stretch. It will be about 5-6 kilometers. Okay.
Done.
And I'll just brief you up about how to hold and how to sit and all that. Okay. First, get onto the motorbike. Adjust your foot pegs, and it's very high. Huh? Yeah. Just be careful. You sat?
Yeah.
Okay. Your foot pegs are fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So now there's nothing behind for you to hold on.
Yeah.
You won't know. So when I accelerate, there's a possibility that you can go back. And be careful not to go too much back. You can fall off the bike. Okay. One. Number two. Do one thing. One hand on the tank. All right. Because once I start braking, you will come in front.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you don't, you have to push the tank and hold yourself. Else I'll get crushed in between you and the tank.
Yeah.
Okay. And one hand hold me
Yeah.
this way.
Air comes, then
No. When I accelerate, you will go back. So with this hand, you have to hold me. Okay, hold my chest. Okay, hold my chest, and with this for braking on the tank. All right. These two hands remain here, no matter what, and just stay behind me. Don't move left or right. If you move left or right, then the balance of the bike could be lost. And when I'm going to accelerate, what I'll do, I will actually signal like this. Okay, I'll do twice. If I do twice, it means I'm going to accelerate. Okay, and
I will hold it tight.
yeah, hold me tight. And you also bend along with me.
Yeah.
Once I bend, you also bend along with me. And worst case, in case something happens, we lose balance, you don't panic. All right, let me take the control. Okay, no, just telling you, because if you panic, then I'll not be able to do it.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it. No problem.
Yeah.
awesome.
Get your helmet off and let me know how you feel.
It was awesome. I just loved it, especially at the speed of 200 kilometers. And,
210 we did max.
yeah,
210.
I shot at 200 kilometers and I just loved it. The way you pulled it and ripped it, it was class.
How was the acceleration, the G-force?
I loved it, really.
It pulls.
The class.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Good.
Yeah, they gave it.
Good.